What's up, guys? It's your boy L, back from Auto Hustle. Here's another whip that I got. It's a 2007 Lexus GS350, and this shit is badass. So here's my 2007 Lexus GS350. Check this baby out. Didn't really have to do anything to this car. It was already smog ready. It has current plates, June of 2019. Thing is clean. It has the tinted windows all the way around. All the tires are good. The only thing I noticed, again, new headlight, old headlight. I'm gonna try and have to buff that out. Check this out. It's a nice whip.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know, the return. If you are what you say